Hi everyone, I'm just doing this video to make a feedback on this product that my husband just bought it for me. This is, they call it OSMO Mobile Tree Combo, which when you buy this, it's all have included the stick itself, this stick itself, and there is a box, and another one is the stand or the tripod for it. So you just kind of screwed it up and connect it to the stick, and it will stand by itself. Of course, that's the purpose of that. And there is also charger cord for you able to charge the stick, because it's also, of course, it's battery operated and a wireless connected to your phone. So you're just gonna download the apps that the manual's gonna tell you in here. You have to download it. There will be it is okay to download in an Apple or Android phone, or any kind of smartphone that you have. So it is nice. And this is the manual that I'm telling you guys, that is have a step-by-step instructions regarding on this, and also telling about the products. And this is not the only paper that I had in here on the side of box. There's also a big one, another one. There's a thicker one. That's not a big one. That's the same size actually of this one, but it's thicker one, and I just saw it is in different languages. So this is not useful for me because I don't know some other language. So I'd rather to take this one because this is English, so I can understand it. As I told you, there's always included some stuff in there like this. This is the box that I'm telling you, that you can put the stick in here, but you cannot put the tripod or the stand. So you can just put right here. Or if you don't want to use this, you can use this bag and put it in here. It will be fit in both of them in here. I tried that. And there is also a sticker, or this is actually a pads that you can put if ever that your phone is not stable to the clip or the grip of the phone holder. And now I'm gonna tell you what is the features of this product. This is how it looks like when you're already connected and downloaded the apps for this stick or for OSMO, and it's connected already to your camera. It will always gonna be connected to your camera, and also you have to make sure that it's also paired to this OSMO, your phone, through Bluetooth. So there is, you can see the screen. This is the home and the battery of your mobile of the OSMO stick. And this is story, or you can just click it and you can discover what its features. Actually, this is like that, and you can choose also from here. See? It's really nice. They have really nice features. And a nice background music too. And you can edit your videos using these apps. And you can see I'm in the story, right? Oh, sorry. I'm in the story. Let me slide it back. And if you want to get it back in the home or the normal camera, then you're just gonna press the back arrow. And as you can see, it's like in the other camera. There's also time lapse, or what is this? Hyperlapse. That's a new for me, and slow down Oh no, slow motion. I read it in the wrong side. Sorry. And video, photo, pano. If you like a panorama, I like panorama. So that's the features of this. And there's a story, as I already told you and then already shown it to you. So now, this is the power level or the battery level. Once you turn it on, this is the switch on and off button, and also this is also the mode button, and this is the button for recording and capturing like in a photo, and this is a control that you can use if you want to tell your camera off up because the direction in here I'm gonna show it to you how it's gonna work, because once you slide it down, the camera will gonna go up, or your phone is gonna go up, and when you slide it I think when you're sliding it down, am I right? Yeah, it's going up, and you're sliding pushing it up, and then it will be going down. And once you slide it to the left, and it goes to the right, and once you slide it to the right, and it goes to the left. So it's like opposite direction in each, whatever direction do you like. And this thing in here, that's just a zoom in and out, or zoom in. This is zoom in, and this is wider screen or wider view. And now I'm gonna show it to you how it works. When you're gonna zoom it in, you're gonna push this up. There you go. See how it works? And you can use any direction you like and focus on the images that you like to capture. Let me just move it up a little bit. There you go. There you go. That's a beautiful bird. And then once you like to the images to be wider and you can capture the whole thing, you just gonna slide this down, and you're gonna see it all the way. It is really nice. I even see the nice features of this. I tried this outside, and I'm gonna include that into the video that I will make for this product. And well, this button too, if you don't like the landscape position of your camera and you want it like horizontal position or standing up, and you just gonna press this mode button twice, so it will gonna be in standing position. 1, 2. Oops, I'm in the wrong side. So it just in case it has happened like this, I press it many times, so I don't have much control yet. So this is the button at the back. You just gonna press it. I think I need to press it once, and it, or no, not once, probably twice, and it's gonna be back. Okay, I'm right. Gotta be back in the normal. And let's see if I can put this camera in the standing, or this mobile standing in the standing position, and it's gonna press it once. No, it's a photo. And let's see again. There you go. You have to press it twice, and you want to be back it again in a landscape position. You're gonna press it the same way twice. Okay, you're gonna press this button. So once you want to go your camera to the right, you're gonna slide it. You see my finger over here? Slide it to the left, and it's going to the right side. There you go. And if you want it to go to the what the directions? we already go to the right, going to the left, so you have to slide it to the right. There you go. There you go. By the way, my background is noisy because my husband is watching a movie. I'm just doing this stuff. And if you want to tilt it up, you have to slide it down. There you go. I slide it down. And if you want to tilt it down, you have to slide it up the bottom. You can pull it. There you go. It's really nice, and you see, I'm enjoying it. I do enjoying it. It's really, really nice. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you like it. I know that's one most of my friends, because they like adventures and they like taking pictures. This is really nice. This is a really good product that you can bring along anywhere, and just want to make sure that you're always gonna bring it in a full battery, so it will work well.